Very good evening, traders. I'm Nandakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm going to discuss the things which go wrong, even though everything will be all right. This talk, I'm discussing about this stock, Jubilant Food. Actually, yesterday, it came in the screener, that is 5 days close. Closing above the 5 days close, that is my screener, that is a breakout screener. I'm showing it to you, that is on 15th, it came. So it was in my radar. I thought instead of waiting for the screener to pop up, let me take I kept this stock in my watch list. Let me trade in this stock. So I thought I started doing that. In the opening bell itself, the market made a very good, it came down, made a low of 696. The mistake, what happens, you must know. I didn't wait for the time cycle. I'll enable the indicator. Let me disable all the things so that you can see time cycle. I want only sequences. I don't want pi levels, Keltner channel. Okay. Even the Keltner channel, I'm disabling it. So I'm showing it to you with the time cycle. Usually, we should wait for the time cycle. This is the first period, 9:50, and it started coming down. I should have waited for the 2, 6, 11 time cycle. Instead of that, I made a mistake. What did I make a mistake was, I thought it was a breakout stock. Yesterday it had come and it made a huge candle coming below this, sweeping this liquidity. I analyzed, it has swept the liquidity, it will go up. So then what happened is, the next candle, I didn't take the trade. From 696, it went up to 705, 706.15. So then I waited for the discount. I did not wait for this time cycle. That is 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time cycle. That is 9:45 time cycle. I thought at the big candle, I thought it is a reversal, and I thought, it started coming down. It is a big green candle, negating the negativity of this red candle. So my assumption was, so it is reversing and the big player has come into the market. It was a trap. So here you can see it made an higher high when this red candle, this was a dozy higher high. I thought it is a reversal candle. Let me enter into it. And also it made a double bottom over here. That was the mistake. What I did enter into this call option, 700 call option around this level. That is around 15.55, entered into the call option. For my bad luck, it started coming down. It started coming down. Even the Jubilant Food started coming down to the level of 689.45. It did little bit. It did panic me at one point of time. See, this Jubilant Food call option came to the level of 10 rupees 40 paisa. from 15.5, when it comes to 10 rupees 40 paise, you are losing 5 rupees. 5 rupees per trade. The lot size is, it is a huge. So, but what my decision was, this was the previous day low, from where the market had broken above that level. When Jubilant Food did come to this level, 689.9, and it tested, it took the liquidity of these are the things, big proprietors, operators, they do the gimmicks. It took the liquidity and it started reversing over here. This was a promising candle. Then I thought it is going to hold. I should have waited for this period, 10.25. Usually for the mistakes, everybody does. This is the mistake, grave mistake. What one, see, even after doing the mistake, keeping calm is very essential. Then when I saw this candle sweeping this liquidity and closing inside, I got to know that this is a play from the big operator to make the option premium cheap. So that's why it started coming down and it made a low and it closed around 11.55. You can see over here 11.80. From 10.40, it closed around 11.80. That was a promising thing. And then I knew that since it is a breakout stock, I knew that it is going to come above this level, time cycle, and also carefully watched. Here at one point of time, around 11.15, it came up to 700.6. Even this option came to 14.8, almost near to my cost. But I didn't book my profits or come out of the trade thinking that I knew it is going to make a double bottom and then it is going to rally, because this stock is the breakout stock which I have selected. Breakout stock, that is a weekly breakout. 5 days breakout means weekly breakout. When it breaks out, definitely instead of rallying, other stocks, when compared to the other stock, some stocks behave in a different way. Other stocks like Pi Industries and Dixon Technology, all they rallied. Instead of coming down, they rallied, they continued their rally for the next day. Here, this Jubilant Food, instead of rallying, it started correcting and it took the liquidity. So this was because of my analysis, because of the confidence, why we have built this screener. The screener is 0.66% from the breakout. These are the breakout stocks, the breakout to the next cycle, market cycle. So I was sure that actually this Jubilant Food will give, finally it has to give the target of 720 to 739 after this breakout, because this is the beginning of the cycle. If I take the tool, if I measure this, 1 minute. If I measure this, I'll get the target of minimum 722, that is twice it, and final target will be 737, because it is a breakout stock. Probably whether it will do in this month, maybe it can do in this month. It can go up to 722. First target will be there, 722. So I knew that, and I patiently held the stock, and it came down around here, around 2 p.m. It came up to, you can see over here, it rallied up to 16 point. You can see there, I am pointing it, 16.2. So then I came out of the trade. That's how, if you would have kept your patience and if you would have known why you are entering into the stock. I knew why I entered, but I made a mistake of early entry. I did not wait for the time cycle, but the thing, what saved me was the patience and my analysis on the stock and belief in the 0.66 market cycle percentage, the circle, uh, circle breakout. I was confident enough to hold up. Some people will not do that. Actually, losing a 5 points in the live market, they will panic because they will not be knowing why they are taking the trade. I knew why did I take the trade, why I should hold the trade, even though there was lot of this lot of price loss. So this is how one can say from that. Even there were many stocks, actually, few stocks, even Axis Bank. Axis Bank, after the breakout, it continued. It was a very good rally. This stock behaved in a different way. That's why this is the thing. If you keep your patience, this is not like index trade. Stock option trading is not index trade. You should have patience in trading. Actually, it runs for the day at it made a bottom around 10:20 and then higher low at 11:55. The time and price came together, squared with each other, and there was a momentum. Same thing happened in the Nifty also today. The Nifty came down to 11:15 time period price, and then that was a huge rally from 135 to 140 p.m. It was a huge rally. Even the Nifty rallied also. So if you wait for the time cycle, if you're confident enough to hold the price, even if it goes wrong, it goes against you, you can manage your trade. That's why I have made this video, so that, see, this was the trade. When it goes wrong, you should manage. You should keep yourself calm. When you keep yourself calm, you are not coming out with loss. That is the lesson. Lesson what you also should learn from it. You should not panic. And these stocks, these screeners stocks, which are coming out from the breakout of the weekly breakouts, there will be some stocks, they will have hiccups, some stocks will pop up without any coming down, they will pop up. So you need to wait. So the Jubilant behaved in a different way, but I'm confident this Jubilant Food will reach the 722. I don't know, even it can reach 737 also. So tomorrow you can watch the price action, because it has taken a discount, almost discount. It has come down. You can see the cycle has begun. So it is if it breaks above this level, it can see. So from here, if I measure the move, I can get minimum the target of 711 in the market tomorrow. It can go up to 711 in the market. So we'll see. You can also watch the price action, and the next target will be 722. From here to here, the price from 703 to 711 is just an 1.51 percentage. From here to here is 3%. Sometimes some stocks will behave funnily, even they will achieve 3% run up in the market. You keep it for your watch list so that you can observe the price action. You need not trade it. So I made this video, what you can learn from when things go wrong. When you keep yourself calm, you can manage the trade. Thank you very much, friends. Nannakshi Swami signing off.